Split ends occur when your hair shaft becomes dry and weak due to excess heat treatments, weather conditions, or poor hair care routine. It may result in hair breakage and hair fall. You need to treat your split ends right away to prevent further hair damage. So in this video, we are sharing with you easiest ways to treat split ends naturally. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains vitamin A, C, E and proteolytic enzymes that promote cell turnover and regrowth on your scalp and makes your hairs grow faster. It nourishes and moisturizes the dry and weak shaft of your hairs as well as strengthens and repairs your split ends. Take a leaf of aloe vera and extract all its gel in a bowl. Now apply this gel on your hairs from root to tips and cover your hairs with a shower cap. Leave it for 40 to 45 minutes. Then wash your hairs with a mild shampoo and towel dry your hairs. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week until your split ends repairs completely. Coconut oil. Coconut oil promotes scalp and hair health and tames your hairs. It helps to strengthen your hair shaft and add a protective layer to your hairs. It adds volume and luster to your hairs as well as repairs your split ends. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and heat it to melt. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey in it and mix well. Apply this oil to your hairs from root to tips. Add enough oil to the tips of your hairs for the best results. Clip your hairs and cover them with a shower cap. Leave it for 1 hour and then wash your hairs with a shampoo. Protein mask. Protein mask with a lot of healthy nutrients and protein boosts the hair strength and helps to restore the hair structure. It repairs your damaged hair shaft and increases collagen production for healthy growth of your hairs. You can make your natural protein mask at home to repair your split ends. For this, all you need is 1 egg, 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. Take a small glass bowl and add all the ingredients into it and mix well. Apply this mixture with the help of a brush from root to tips and clip your hairs. Cover your hairs with a shower cap and leave it for 50 to 60 minutes. Then wash your hairs with a shampoo. You will get back your healthy hairs within few weeks. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.